What's up mga ka-AMU? Panibagong araw, panibagong unboxing na naman ang ating gagawin. Ngayong araw, i-unbox natin ang Omni 4-gang extension cord or wire with switch 2 meters where 103 PK. So, basahin muna natin ang product details. Omni 4-gang extension cord or extension wire where 103 PK, 3-gang round or flat pin outlet, 1-gang universal outlet, 1 master switch and LED light indicator, 1 master switch and LED light indicator, 2 meters double insulated AWG18 or 2C round wire, flat pin parallel plug, and 10A or 250 volts, high quality and authentic. So, i-open na natin ang Omni 4-gang extension cord or extension wire worth 103 PK. So, nabili ko to siya sa halagang 553 pesos which shipping fees. So, packed with bubble wrap. So, sa halagang 550 pesos, nandun na po yung kanyang shipping fees. So, ayan.